was going out to pick up my hubby from work, and we had no snow at all. It was all grass. We had 16, 17 degrees, and this morning wakes up to this ice. And I don't know if you guys can see it thing. It says -5. I was like, oh, we're never gonna get spring. Just making some supper for me and my hubby. He's gonna have meat, fries, and gravy. I'm going to be making lentils and rice for myself because he's not fussy. He doesn't like lentils and rice. I do. I love it. I grew up eating that, so I'm going to show you both as I'm making them. So right now I'm just cooking up the meat for his meat, fries, and gravy. And as you can hear that noise in the background, that's the air fryer going with the, well, not air fryer, but deep fryer going with the fries in it. And I'll show you. There's the gravy. I puts it in mason jars. I buy the big bulk, huge cans of it, and I'll separate it into mason jars and I freeze it, so that way it lasts a long time. And my hubby loves that brand that we get in the big bulk cans. So I'm not overly fussy for it. I find it a bit salty, but you don't mind that. Okay, there's his meat, fries, and gravy all done. Like I said, I leave it on top and he'll just mix it as he's eating it. Now it's going to be on to my lentils and rice, and I'll show you how easy and simple that is to make. Okay, I got the pot for my rice. I'm using bottled water because right now up the road from us, they got the road all dug up and our water looks like mud right now. So I'm going to boil my rice in the bottled water. We always drink bottled water anyway, so I'll get the rice next. Okay, there is 1 cup of basmati rice. You can use any rice you want, but I love basmati. I find it is perfect. It gets right nice and soft and fluffy. Minute rice, I find it gets really sticky. Like, I know it's not all the time, but I don't know. I just like this one better. Now we gotta let that boil, and I'm gonna get the rest of the prep done. I'll show you. Now I'm kind of cheating. I'm doing it the lazy way. Usually, I do have bags of lentils here that you soak overnight and stuff like that. But I'm going to use the tin ones. Easier, faster, because I'm trying to get dinner done for us because we got to work tonight. And there's tin tomatoes goes in it. And also some onion. I'll get that on the fryer in a second now. Okay, I got my onions on the fry. I used a little over a half of a medium-sized onion. Now I'm going to add some pepper to that in a second. There, I got my pepper on. I got myself like black peppercorns, loves that. You don't have to put pepper on it, but every time I fry onions, I gotta have pepper on it. I love it. Okay, I just opened up both cans. I got the liquid drained off from this. I'm not gonna rinse it with tap water because our water's like mud right now, so, but I'm gonna get a bit of water, just shake it up, and then rinse it out again. Okay, my rice is done. My onions are on top. I just gotta drain out my lentils, put that in. There, it's all mixed together. I put the lentils in, gave it a good stir. Now, a lot of people eat it just like this, and sometimes like when you put it in your bowl, my mom used to just like put it into our serving bowls, and she'd put a little bit of tin tomato on top. But what I does, I'll take this full can and I'll dump it into this bowl and stir it all through. I know that's not how it's done, but that's the way I like it, and that's the way I've been eating it for years. I grew up eating this, so I love it. And there you go. This is a quick and easy meal to make. I know you're not supposed to put tomatoes in like that, but that's the way I like it. Like I said, you can adjust everything to the way you like. But this is a quick and easy meal, and it only takes a few minutes to make, and it's filling. So it's really, really good. I just got my Temu order in. I forgot to show me unpacking it, but I got it all here. I'll show you guys. This package was mostly all Easter stuff. I bought a lot of stuff for Easter because I love Easter. But I'm going to show you guys what I bought anyway. This is Easter decorations for outside. They're all folded. There's the spikes that you can hang it outside. Hang on, give me a second. I'll open it and see. Okay, there's one. There's an egg with feet. It's cute. And right now there's a bunny. Okay, you must have to put them together. That's what some of those pegs are for too. He puts it together because it's like styrofoam. You can push it down the side. And there's a chick. I don't know how that works. Maybe. Okay, no, it's not an egg with feet. Duh. It's a chicken sitting on top of an egg. You gotta put them together. Well, anyway, there's that one. I also bought these are Easter seat covers for my kitchen chairs. I got 6 chairs at my table. And right now I'll pull that out to show. Oh, that is so cute. I'm just hoping these fit my chair because my chairs are kind of big. And there's the bottom where your butt goes. I'll flip it over right now. And there's the elastic opening where you slide it down over the chair. There are 6 of them. So I got that for my chairs. I'm going to put that on. My house is going to be decorated next week. I'm going to show you guys my house when I decorate it. I got this all laid out on my bed right now. This is an Easter tablecloth, I believe. Yeah, this is the tablecloth. And this is an Easter valance that goes over the top of my kitchen window. It's just a big long valance, so I seen that. I was like, I gotta get that. That's cute. And I bought this hat for my hubby. He said he wanted one. It says Canada is not for sale. And I got this one for my brother-in-law to go with the rest of his Easter gift. It says, I drink beer 3 days a week, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. He loves stuff like that, like with funny sayings on them. So I seen that and got that for him. And I bought some spools of ribbon. Because I'm planning on making an Easter wreath. I'll show you a quick video clip when I make this Easter wreath. I was starting to make one and I ran out of ribbon. And I went all over my town, everywhere, looking for ribbon. Could not find Easter ribbon anywhere with like Easter print on it. All the Easter ribbon was all just plain solid colors. So I had to go on Temu and get some. So I'm going to do my Easter wreath, finish it off. And I'll show you guys the clip of me trying to make the wreath. When I mix this, I'll add it on and show you guys.